Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome again to your science class. Dear students, now come to book page number 39. Our today's topic is vegetables. Dear students, vegetable is a healthy food. Vegetable से हमें विटामिन ए और विटामिन सी और मिनरल्स मिलते हैं. Dear students, today we will identify vegetables names through flashcards. Students, look here. What's this? Carrot. Students, this is turnips, spring onions, potatoes, capsicums, onion, peas, brinjal. Students, these all are vegetables. Now students, it's your homework. Identify vegetables names. Allah Hafiz.